Yo! Yo! Ugh. Yo. Hey guys, Vince here, and I've read through your comments and it seems like some of you wanted more budget content, so this one's for you. Today, we're going to be taking a look at Akko's keycaps that I recently purchased off of Amazon. I specifically got the black and pink colorway, but there are many other options as well. First off, I have to say that I'm quite impressed with the packaging. The hardcover case with the magnetic clasps makes the set feel fairly premium. Inside the case, you have 158 keycaps along with the keycap puller. They really thought of everything. Taking a look at the keycaps themselves, I have to say that the legends are actually pretty crisp. I'd also like to note that I really like the pink that they decided to go with in this set. It's not a violent hot pink, but more of a soft salmon pink, which lends itself to being more compatible with a variety of colors. The set also includes 4 cute little artisans, which is a really nice touch. While it's nice that they included a keycap puller, I found that the metal arms were a bit too flimsy. The set includes 3 spacebars, 2 6.5U spacebars and 1 7U spacebar, which will give you some flexibility in terms of what layout you want to go with. I didn't find any warping on my spacebars, so that's pretty cool. I'll be comparing these Akko keycaps with signature plastic keycaps as well as GMK keycaps. When compared against the signature plastic keycaps, I have to say that the Akko keycaps have a bit more of a grainy texture, which I like. Against the GMK keycaps, I would say that the Akko keycaps feel just a bit smoother, but still comparable. In terms of thickness, I think Akko's keycaps are on par with GMK's keycaps, and slightly thicker than signature plastic's keycaps. Something that I've heard is that Akko's ASA profile is a good transition between Cherry or OEM profile to the taller SA profile, and I have to say that I completely agree. It's super comfortable to type on. These keycaps aren't without flaw, however. On my number 8 key specifically, I noticed that there was a hairline crack along the stem portion of the cap. I don't mean the missing material from the keycap stem, which I believe is a result from manufacturing, but just a very thin crack. And while it's not the end of the world, I think it's noteworthy enough to mention. To give you a comparison of how these keycaps sound on a board, I'm going to be using my pride and joy, the Space 65 Cybervoyager. If you would like me to do a separate review on this board in the future, please let me know in the comment section down below. All in all, I have to say that I'm extremely impressed with these Akko keycaps, and I'll admit that they're going to be staying on my Space 65 over the GMK laser set for at least a little while. At roughly $60, this is definitely a solid buy, and it makes for the perfect gift with the holiday season coming up, and you can even have these keycaps by tomorrow if you have Amazon Prime. Let me know in the comments section below if you would buy this keycap set or if you have your own thoughts regarding these keycaps. And as always, all the materials that were used in this video will be linked in the description down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this content, and if you did, please consider subscribing to stay updated. I have some exciting news for the next video, and I hope to see you guys there. Until then, thank you for watching and have a good one.